Hola mis estudiantes, really quickly just wanted to help you if you had a little trouble understanding the Kahoot. The first few questions should be pretty straightforward, but getting down to, these, the grammatically correct questions. A ella gusta comer el helado. That is grammatically incorrect because we need either a me, te, le, nos, os, or les right here, and since it's a ella, it'd be le. So that's grammatically incorrect because we need to say a ella le gusta comer el helado. Number 14, is this grammatically correct? Ella le gusta comer helado? You think that'd be correct, right? She likes to eat ice cream. However, it's grammatically incorrect. You need the a in front of ella when you're using the verb gustar. So you need a ella le gusta comer helado. Is this grammatically incorrect? Or is this grammatically correct? It is not. A Alicia es de Cuba. Here we have a conjugation of the verb ser. Remember, the conjugations of ser are soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. So that is incorrect because we don't need to have an a in front of our noun. We only need an a in front of our noun when we're using the verb gustar. So here we do need a ella le gusta comer helado. Here we only need to say Alicia es de Cuba. 16, is this grammatically correct? A ellos son de Puerto Rico. That's incorrect as well for the same reason. We don't need a in front of this. We just need to say ellos son de Puerto Rico because we're using the verb ser. That is the ellos conjugation of ser. So they are from Puerto Rico. Is this grammatically correct? A mí no me gusta andar en patineta. That is grammatically correct because that's just saying I don't like to skateboard. If someone's directly asking you a question like, hey, ¿te gusta andar en patineta? A better answer would be no, a mí no me gusta andar en patineta. But we're not responding to a question here, we're just making a statement. So we're saying, a mí no me gusta andar en patineta. Finally, how do you say I'm from the United States? Both answers are correct. Yo soy de los Estados Unidos y soy de los Estados Unidos. With our conjugations of ser, for example, soy, it means I am. So if we're saying yo soy and yo means I, we're just reemphasizing that I'm talking about I. Okay, so I can say yo soy or I can say soy, and it's going to mean the exact same thing. It's just like here in this sentence, if I say a mí no me gusta andar en patineta, and if I just say no me gusta andar en patineta, it means the exact same thing. I'm just emphasizing that I'm talking about myself. So in both cases, there's multiple ways to say the same thing. Let me see, were there any else that I need to talk about? Grammatical subject of the sentence, that is the thing doing the action. So like, Senorita Blanca is making the video. I am the person making the video, so I'm the grammatical subject. We use me, te, le, nos, os, les with the verb gustar. Everything else should be pretty straightforward. Oh, conjugation, yeah, we talk about that in my in-person class. This is just a way for you guys to learn what conjugation means. So the different conjugations of ser, again, are soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. So, for example, the soy in that, so let's go ahead and click on here and talk about this for a second. The soy in ser, so ser means to be, this is the singular and first person conjugation because we're only talking about one person, I, and we're talking about first person, I. So first person and singular, so this is the first person singular conjugation. This is the second person singular conjugation, and this is the third person singular conjugation. This is the first person plural conjugation. I'm talking about myself, but with multiple other people. This is the second person plural. I'm talking to you, which is the second person, but there's multiple of you, so sois. And then finally, son is your third person conjugation. I'm talking about them to you. So I'm talking to you, but I'm talking about them, so they are. And it's plural. Again, your usted and your ustedes have a little hitch in that it's still second person, but you use the third person conjugations for them to show respect, or just to show that you're in Latin America with the ustedes. Please, if you have questions, email me. I would love to meet with you guys, help you guys hash through this over Zoom or something. Use your study guide. Hopefully that helps as well. And you can feel free to go back and review the lessons. And of course, my lights in my room are going off telling me that I need to go home. So, adios. Maybe if this comes back on, I have to tell it I'm still here. Okay. Adios, mis estudiantes.